Stay with me 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前
Hello everyone, my name is Laili Rahmadania. So today I would like to explain about three genres of text and their example. The three genres are report text, explanation text, and narrative text. And for the example is for the report text is savannas, and for the explanation text is the dynamic of earthquakers, and for the narrative text is the mouse, deer, and the crocodile. So in here, I will explain the definition, structure, and the context of each text. Okay, for the first is I will explain about report text with the example savannas. So a report text is a text that gives factual and general information about something, such as animal, place, or natural phenomena. And the purpose of report text is to inform readers with clear fact. So this text has two main parts, general classification and description. In the general classification part, the text explains that savannas are tropical greenlands found in many parts of the world, such as Africa, South America, Australia, and South Asia. So in the description part, the text explains the characteristic of savannas. Savannas have grasses and scattered trees, and their experience wet and dry season. The text also explains the plants found in savanna, such as elephants, grass, acacia trees, and baobab trees. Another important part is the special features of savannas, especially termite mounds. These termite mounds help soil aeration, nutrient cleansing, and water storage during dry season. At the end, the text explains the importance of savannas. Savannas help maintain biodiversity, support local communities, and reduce climate change impact. So, in my opinion, this report text is very informative because it gives many facts about savannas and help us understand the importance of protecting ecosystem. The next is explanation the dynamic of earthquakers. So, the text explanation is a text that explains how or why something happens, especially natural or scientific phenomena. The purpose is to help readers understand a process. An explanation text usually has three parts: general statement, sequence, explanation, and conclusion. So, in a general statement, the text explains that earthquakes are seismic events caused by the sudden release of energy inside the earth crust. In the sequences explanation part, the text explains the causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes mostly happen because tectonic plates move and interact with each other. The text also explains the process. Stars boil inside the earth, the energy is released as seismic waves, and finally the ground shakes. The text explains factors affecting earthquakes, such as deep, fault type, and the amount of stress accumulated. At the end, the text explains the importance of understanding earthquakes, especially for assessing seismic risk and building earthquakes resistant features. So in my opinion, this explanation text is very educational because it explains scientific information clearly and help people understand natural disaster better. Okay, and the last text is narrative text. The Mouse and the Crocodile for the example. A narrative text is a story text that aims to entertain readers. It usually contains characteristic, conflict, and resolution. So narrative text generally has 5-part: orientation, complication, sequence of events, resolution, and moral and value. In the orientation part, the story introduces the mouse, deer, the crocodiles, and the setting in the jungle near the river. In the complication part, the mouse deer wanted to cross the river, but he knew that the river was full of hungry crocodiles that wanted to eat him. In the sequences of events, the mouse deer created a clear plan. He asked the crocodile to line up across the river because he wanted to count them. The crocodile believed him and lined up in the river. Then the mouse deer jumped from the crocodile to another until safely reached the other side of the river. In the resolution part, the mouse deer successfully crosses the river while the crocodile realized that they had been taken. Finally, for the moral value of the story is that intelligence and creativity can help solve problems. So in my opinion, this narrative text is very interesting and meaningful because it teaches readers to stay calm, think wisely, and use intelligence in difficult situations. So for the conclusion is the three texts have different purpose and characteristic. Report text gives factual information, explanation text explain process or phenomena, and narrative text tells story to entertain readers. Each genre has its own structure and function, and all of them help readers gain knowledge and understanding in different ways. Maybe that's all I can share to you guys. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.